$350 off anything over $1,500. With the code USA350, that's USA350, is our Big Daddy 360 motorhome system. Also, 1080p 60876. This system comes with enough cabling for a 60-foot motorhome, featuring our all-new camera design, a 1080p HDMI screen. It's our 360-degree system with our fastest refresh rate and virtually no lag. And when you're looking at this thing, it really makes you feel like you have a drone following you in the sky, okay? Here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna get the code with the discount on anything over $1,500. We're gonna give you the DVR upgrade, but here's what we're gonna do. On any 360 system that's over $1,500, we're gonna give you the enhanced night vision upgrade for free as an extra gift. That's $300, and we're just gonna throw it in. So you're talking about $300 for the night vision, $350 off, and the DVR upgrade.